Locking and unlocking your Scotiabank credit card is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the help.scotiabank.com website. Once you get into its site, you will get to know what it means to lock a card. If you have misplaced your personal Scotiabank Visa or American Express card, the Scotiabank Card Lock service gives you the ability to temporarily lock your card using the mobile banking app. So, to do that, tap on My Accounts. Then, tap on your credit card account. Right after that, tap on the Manage button. Now, under Settings, tap Lock or Unlock Card. If your check account, savings account, debit card, or MasterCard is lost or stolen, please call us or visit one of our branches. When you lock your credit card, it helps prevent unauthorized use. This feature is useful in case your card is stolen or lost. However, remember to unlock it before you intend to use it for legitimate transactions.